Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we are going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is called Deep Botanicals, and it is a classic size happy planner. It is for the week of November 20th through the 26th. I'm going to be using the Autumn Days sticker book from Cassathetic Plans, as well as some Red Lyrics stickers, and she is on Etsy. I am an affiliate for Cassathetic Plans, and if you want to shop there, if you would use my link, I would really appreciate it. I'm not affiliated in any way with Red Lyrics. I just really enjoy her stickers. So I'm putting like a little holiday spread here with all the things Thanksgiving. So like a front door and a lady walking in and a cozy couch and stuff like that. So just bear with me as I create this because I am mixing some styles here, you know? And these pumpkins are just so adorable too. But look at this swing. Like all of these things are just beautiful. So I want to play and add them and have some fun with them. So I'm going to add some of these beautiful elements to this side as well. So here's that floral. Let me put that in frame. There we go. They're very, very fall. And look at these boxes, you guys. They're beautiful. So I actually have 2 Thanksgivings this year. Hooray, right? No stress at all. And I am making the turkey for the first one. Technically, I have 3 Thanksgivings, but I have 2 Thanksgivings on the 23rd. So that's what is happening, and I am super excited to do this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add those 2 little things in so I can mark things that are happening in my life. I'm going to need a box too for that day, but I'm going to try to find matching bullet points and go from there. These are from Jojo Plans. This is her check it off. So there's checklists as well as bullet points in here. So I thought that was kind of a fun way of doing this. So I'm going to just add a few things per day because we talked about it last time. Thank you so much for many of you encouraging me to lighten my load. And yes, I am trying pretty heavily to do that. So we shall see how this turns out for me. I mean, this week is a little bit different in general because I'm going to be home a lot more. I am off starting Wednesday, so I will be doing some preparations and pre-cooking things. So that should be fun. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some boxes. You guys know that boxes are like necessities, right? So we're going to add some of these. These are for my work schedule for Tuesday and Monday, and then I'm off for the rest of the week. But I'm going to go ahead and add those boxes and then the rest of the boxes as well. Okay, so let's add this big boy. I'm gonna remove this little guy and then add this big chunk of already pre-made layers. And this will be my bigger list, I guess. Let me see if I can like straighten this. I don't know what's going on, but every time I put a sticker down, it is so crooked, you guys. Okay. Let's talk about how you guys are doing. I hope everybody's well. Let me know about your Thanksgiving plans or any traditions that you have. a fun one that we normally have on Thanksgiving, and I still hope it will happen this year. We decide on the family Christmas team gift. So every year we do almost like a white elephant, but with new items and items that people actually would want. And we pick something. So, like a first letter of your first name, that's what the item has to start with. Or, like one year it was a green or red item. There was a lot of fun things. We did an experience, we did games. So all of these things are really, really fun. If you're looking for like a more inexpensive way to spend a holiday with family, maybe do that. And then we give adults numbers of however many of us are, and we draw the number. And that's the order you go in. And as you guys know, the gift can be only stolen 3 times. So that was kind of a fun thing to do. So this year we're gonna go ahead and probably decide on our next gift category, which is fun, right? So that's where we are. And we do set a price limit, which is like between $25 and $50 usually. So some years it's 25, some years it's 50, depending on what we decide to do. And then that is pretty much it. And I think that's the best way to celebrate. You get a little something without being too overwhelmed of a gifts giving. And then my family, on my side, does not do gifts. So it's basically a second Thanksgiving, you guys. It is so stress-free. It's awesome. Like, you stress still about the food and the cooking and all of that, but that's a lot of joy and a lot of family time. The running around the stores and gift giving, we don't do. I know for a lot of people that's so stressful and cumbersome, so that's where we are. But it's fun. Okay, next up is back to the spread, you guys, because I got sidetracked with all of this Christmas stuff and our Thanksgiving traditions. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put more dots in here, maybe just for a couple more items. And then since I'm off on Friday, I'm gonna do maybe 1 extra item, maybe 2 extra items. And then on Wednesday, I'm gonna need so many dots, you guys. I'm prepping so much stuff. And I know we talked about not overdoing it, but it's holidays. I do it for family. It feels a little different than work, right? So, okay. So this spread is almost done, you guys. I'm going to add some bullet points to Wednesday, and then I'm going to put it back into my planner. I really enjoyed making this one. It has a very like a chic fall feel. I can't wait to write in it. Let me know what you think about this one. I know it's a little bit different and my style has been changing slightly, and that's what it's all about. I mean, our styles and we ourselves change over time, right? So there we go. Thank you so much for joining today, and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Have a great day and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye bye.